Alright, so a couple of weeks ago we came in, we started the ductwork and the plumbing rough. There's going to be heat and AC everywhere in all the offices. There'll be little sinks in all the offices. There's a kitchenette for the workers, probably on break time, a couple of bathrooms. But up in the attic is really where there's an impressive ductwork system, supplies and returns. They're all insulated, everything looks tight, nice and neat. And probably in a couple of weeks we'll come put all the finished grills on. We'll be installing the sinks, the toilets, the kitchen sink, and probably wrapping up any other miscellaneous items that they have for us to do.